foodies! Welcome back to Cook with Puneet, where vegetarian food is made easy. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite dishes, chili paneer. And instead of frying the paneer, we're going to actually make it in the air fryer, or you can also bake it. So if you would like to follow along, please continue watching and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you think someone else might enjoy this video, please don't forget to share it with them. For this recipe, I'm using 1 cube of store-bought paneer and I'm gonna slice it down to smaller cubes. I'm using whole wheat all-purpose flour, but if you're gluten-free, you can use besan. Cornstarch. Red chili flakes. Garlic seasoning. Onions, garlic and ginger, red chilies and green chilies, coriander or spring onions to garnish on top. You'll need sugar, bell peppers, Szechuan sauce, hot chili sauce, soy sauce, ketchup, vinegar, and salt. Because chili paneer is a Hakka dish, we want to make sure that our vegetables are visible and you can taste them. So we'll start off by cutting our onions. And I just took 1 onion and cut it into 4 halves, and then I just sliced it through the middle. And we're gonna just peel each layer off one by one. And for this recipe, I'm only using half an onion. And then I'm going to take a red bell pepper and chop it into half, and we're going to cut it into chunks again. And you can keep it as big or as small as you like them to be. Next, I took half a green bell pepper and did the same as well. Then I took my red chili and I just cut it into half, and then I cut the half into another half and just finely chopped it. I did the same with my green chilies. I used 3. So next we're going to take the paneer and we're going to prepare it for the air fryer. And I just took half the paneer now, and I'll do it in 2 batches, but feel free to do it in 1. I added about 2 spoons of cornstarch, and I added about 1.5 spoons of all-purpose flour, and I added 1 spoon of red chili flakes and 1 spoon of garlic seasoning, and we'll just mix that together. Next, I added about 2 spoons of water, and we'll just mix that together, just so that the coating sticks onto the paneer. And now we're ready to put the paneer in the air fryer, so I just took my air fryer, brushed some oil in it. If you have a cooking spray, feel free to use that. And then I added my paneer in there. And then I'm gonna dab some oil on top with the brush. Pop it into the air fryer for 15 minutes at 200 temperature, and I'm just gonna take it out at around 7 minutes and shake it up and put it back in. And just keep an eye on it. It could be ready from 11 to 15 minutes, depending on how crispy you like it. Now we're ready to put our chili paneer together, so I took a wok and added some oil. And just remember, when we are making Hakka food, you do require a little bit more oil than usual. Then I added my garlic and ginger, and my green chilies and red chilies, and we'll be cooking this on high heat. And we'll let that saute until the garlic turns a goldenish color. Next, I added my onions, and we'll just let that soften a little. Then I added my bell peppers, and we'll just saute that for about 2 minutes. Next, I took a serving spoon, which is a little bigger than our regular big spoons, and I added soy sauce onto that, and I just used 1 spoon of soy sauce. Then I added 2 spoons of those of ketchup, and we'll just mix that together and coat our vegetables. And then I just added about 2 spoons of water in there, and we'll just mix that together. Next, I added 1 spoon of hot chili sauce, and we'll just mix that together. Then I added 2 regular sized spoons of Szechuan sauce. We'll just mix that together. And then I just added my paneer in there, and we'll just coat that as well. Then I added my second batch of paneer in there, and we'll just mix that together. And then I added a little water in there, so about 1/4 of a cup of water. And we'll just mix that all together. And next we're gonna add 2 spoons of vinegar in there, and the spoon that I used is regular sized, and we'll just mix that all together. And to thicken up the gravy, I'm just gonna create a small cornstarch mixture. I'm going to add 1/2 spoon to a spoon of cornstarch and add water, and just mix that all together until all the cornstarch is blended. And we're just gonna add that into our chili paneer. Next, I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt, just because all our sauces do have salt in it, so just keep that in mind. And then I'm gonna add 1/4 to 1/2 spoon of sugar, and we'll just mix that all together. And once before I take it off the stove, I'm just gonna toss it a couple of times. And our chili paneer is ready, and at this point you can garnish with either coriander or spring onions. So if you love Hakka food just as much as I do, let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, also let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I post videos weekly, so if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to do so, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. My socials are at Cook with Puneet. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Take care.